Welcome back, viewers. Today we present a lovely property for sale in a highly sought-after area in Mandeville. The home is a mere stone's throw away from the Northern Caribbean University, ideal for families, students, and faculty. This 5-bedroom, 4-bathroom gym is strategically located to provide unparalleled convenience. The property features a versatile office space that can easily double as an additional bedroom, perfect for those in need of a dedicated workspace or an extra room for guests. It is also just a few minutes' drive from the vibrant town of Mandeville, which features a plethora of stores, banks, dining options, as well as a hospital. This is an opportunity you don't want to miss. The asking price for this lovely property is 54 million Jamaican dollars. Call the number displayed throughout this video to schedule an appointment. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting updates on properties for sale in Jamaica.